Hello my creative friend, let me show you an amazing website that can get rid of watermark from your videos. Now this website is free and of course it uses artificial intelligence. So let me hop into my screen to show you how this website works. So the name of this website is called, right here, it's called magiceraser.org. Alright, so when you log onto the website, you come to where you have video watermark remover. Now it also has the Sora watermark remover. I think that's also another cool feature. I come to video watermark remover and yeah, just wait for that to load up. So it gives us an interface to upload our videos. So I'm going to click the upload button. So now as you can see very clearly here, we have this huge, let me zoom in, this huge watermark here, as you can see right here. So take note of that. Let me drag myself out of this frame a bit. Right, so if you look above the video frame here, you have 3 buttons. You have the crop feature, the eraser tool, I think this is the brush tool, and then this is the brush tool, and this is the eraser tool. And so I'm going to take the brush tool, click this. Now I navigate to where the watermark is. Now of course you can also increase the size of your brush, right? So I navigate to where I have the watermark and I just slowly just brush above the watermark, right? And then I come to the top right here to this remove now button. So once you give the command, you give it a few minutes to process your instruction. Alright, just a few more minutes, it's still processing the instruction we gave to it. Now if you are finding value from this video already, please like the video and of course share this video to friends. And yes, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make a ton of valuable content every week. Alright, so let's see what we've got. Right, so as you can see right here, the watermark has been completely removed. Right, so this is an amazing website. It removes, and of course it retained the quality of the video, right? It didn't drop the quality, and that's something I really find amazing about this platform. So you can go right ahead and of course click this to download the video right here. So if you find this useful, please like, share this video with as many persons as possible, and of course ensure you are subscribed to my channel because I make a lot of tips, tricks and tutorials on design and design related content. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.